1.5 degrees Celsius. The Paris Agreement says this is the global warming threshold, not to be exceeded. We are already on the verge of reaching the 1.5-degree limit. At 1.5 degrees Celsius, 69 million people will be directly affected by increased sea level, and 350 million will be directly exposed to drought. According to science, rising temperatures will significantly increase the risks of climate-related disasters. In just 20 years, the frequency of these disasters has almost doubled, claiming over 1.3 million lives and costing the global community at least $1 trillion. The 79 members of the Organization of African, Caribbean, and Pacific States, OACPS, are the most vulnerable developing countries, especially to the adverse impacts of climate change and non-climate-related hazards. For these countries, that include 37 least developed countries and 39 small island developing states, climate change and variability bring severe impacts. Rising sea levels, torrential rains, floods, landslides, frequent severe cyclones, and intense droughts. These events jeopardize water availability, ecosystems, agriculture, fisheries, food security, and ultimately human health. The Intra-ACP Disaster Risk Reduction Programme is a flagship initiative of the OACPS. The programme is funded by the European Union's 11th European Development Fund with a budget of €100.5 million. The objectives of the programme is clear: to reduce the impacts of climate and non-climate related disasters and increase resilience in OACPS countries. Specifically, the programme seeks to strengthen disaster risk governance, increase investment in disaster risk reduction, and enhance disaster preparedness to ensure effective response and recovery. The Intra-ACP DRR Programme is implemented by 8 multilateral and regional partners working together in full synergy. The programme's technical assistance team supports the OACPS Secretariat in 5 areas: coordinating and steering the programme, promoting South-South coordination and cooperation, monitoring, evaluating and reporting of progress, enhanced communication, visibility and knowledge management, increased technical assistance and learning exchanges, support for post-disaster assessments. The programme is not just responding to disasters. We are building a future where communities are more resilient, able to better adapt to the changing climate, and are better prepared and able to respond and recover from the multitude of hazards. Join us in making a difference. Together, we can foster a more resilient tomorrow.